Bye, Dad. So, like, America's history is written in her trees. Should we just keep going?
Yeah.
All right, Adam. Onward! Oh, fuck. So, a good thing to do while having an empty summer is, yeah, just going on nature walks. It's
Man, this is bringing back memories.
yeah. Where?
Right there. In front of you.
Oh.
Right up there, dumbass.
Oh.
The one with the bend in it.
Oh, that one.
Yeah. Trees that are bent have experienced many mudslides.
See, Adam here is what we would call a stick expert.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, there's a little creek down here, and yeah, man.
If only there was a waterfall.
No, but there's like
Could be a waterfall.
maybe if we go far enough. I really doubt it though.
You don't know.
Dude, the real place to go for that is
Yeah, but another place to go to for that is
these nuts.
yeah, this lake.
Can't fucking handle you, bro.
Everything. All the plants are wet.
Yeah, they are.
Cause this dick. Yeah, fucking.
Do you want to film for a little bit? Yeah. All right. Adam's a crack horse for holding the camera.
Hey, watch me vault this shit. Fucking fails. Oh my god, this man's fail.
This is...
Man,
Dude, you can't point the camera for shit. Here, let me see.
welcome. It's recording.
Recording.
How am I gonna make it across this, man?
Just jump.
But I don't want to fall.
Do you want me to hold your hand? So if you fall, I get it on camera.
Bitch.
Ah. Do it.
I'm better at walking through this with my bare feet than shoes.
I need shoes.
I'd rather have my bare feet.
It's because, Adam, you've been in the woods for most of your life.
Oh yeah, canonically, Finn and Jake are dead now.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the war. The fucking war with,
Thanks for saving my asses right there. Like, actually, though. Is he coming?
There he is. Man, it's hot out here.
No, it is.